What do Antarctic minke whales eat? Have you ever wondered what keeps the Antarctic minke whale thriving in the icy waters of the Southern Ocean? These fascinating creatures have a diet that is closely tied to their environment. Primarily, Antarctic minke whales feast on euphausiids, which are small shrimp-like crustaceans commonly known as krill. When these whales are found in offshore waters, their main meal is Antarctic krill, scientifically named Euphausia superba. However, when they venture into coastal areas, such as the Ross Sea and Prids Bay, they switch to ice krill, known as Euphausia crystallorophias. These krill species are abundant in the Southern Ocean and from the backbone of the Antarctic minke whale's diet. The whales are opportunistic feeders, consuming the most plentiful prey available in their surroundings. In areas where the water depth is less than 1,000 meters, ice krill are the dominant species. Conversely, Antarctic krill are more common near the continental shelf break and in deeper waters. Interestingly, Antarctic minke whales have a specific feeding rhythm, with a peak feeding time in the early morning. This behavior indicates a pattern that aligns with the availability of their prey. While krill makes up the bulk of their diet, Antarctic minke whales occasionally munch on other small marine animals. These include small crustaceans like calanid copepods and pelagic amphipods. They may also eat some fish species, such as Antarctic sidestripes, crocodile icefish, and nototheniids. However, these items are rare and only make up a minor part of their overall diet. The feeding habits of Antarctic minke whales reflected their adaptation to the polar marine ecosystem. They relying heavily on krill species that thrive in the cold waters of the Southern Ocean. Changes in the polar environment, such as rising temperatures, could impact krill populations, which in turn would affect the feeding ecology of these whales. In the grand scheme of the Antarctic food web, krill are a vital resource that supports many marine predators. The ability of Antarctic minke whales to exploit different krill species in both offshore and coastal waters allows them to thrive in this dynamic ecosystem. Understanding their diet helps us appreciate the delicate balance of life in the polar regions.